Yummy, 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 yummy. Bam, bam, bam. Yummy, 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 yummy. Bam, bam, bam.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Epic Pranks with Ethan. Only one person commented on my pranks video, so I'm doing what they said, which is to put slime in shoes so that they will be surprised, which by they I mean Robert. So we're gonna do that. Well, it looks like we have everything we need. We have our bowl. Yeah. We have our measuring tools. We have our Elmer's glue. We have our contact solution. We have our baking soda. Yeah, I just couldn't think of it. Okay, well, that's all. Get out of here. That was my helper. She'll be back pretty soon. Well, we'll be back when everything's in the bowl and we'll start mixing. Big old glop of it here. Yeah, that'll be good for him. He's gonna love that. Stuff it in there. Get in there real good, actually. Put in the shoe too. Just to add insult to injury, as they say. Ugh, it's really gross. Putting it in there. I think I should put more. Actually, no. Okay, I'm done with it. That's all we're gonna do. It's really gross, really sticky. He's gonna hate me for this. Oliver tried to eat the slime, so he has slime on his whiskers. He doesn't like for me to pick him up, so I'm gonna put him back down now. Prank is all set. Just have to wait till he comes downstairs. It's gonna be really, really awesome. Yee. Okay, doing my homework as usual. Type. Doing it normally. Just yeah.
Hey, this is my shoes.
Your shoes? Oh yeah, they're right there. Typing on my computer. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong, Robert?
Somebody pooped slime into my shoes.
Oh, really? Hey, what is this? Huh? What's that? Is that slime? Well, how do you feel right now, Robert?
I feel very angry, and whoever did this is going to have a revenge prank.
Well, just don't do it on me because you know I didn't do it. I was just heartily doing my homework.
Right, you were doing your behavior package. How could you be doing anything aside from that?
Of course.
I'll just put on my...
Well, I wonder whoever did the prank got a pretty big revenge one.
Whoever they are is going to get it.
Okay.